In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add words to the personal dictionary in Google Sheets. If you work with brand names, technical terms, or unique spellings, Google's spell check might flag them with red underlines. Adding those words to your personal dictionary tells Google they are correct, so you can keep your sheets clean and focused. It also reduces false corrections that can slow you down. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, also called the Google Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. If you are prompted to sign in, use your usual account so the dictionary is saved to the right profile. Once Sheets loads, open the spreadsheet you want to work on. You can choose an existing file from Recent or open one from Drive. With the sheet open, we will access the dictionary from the menu bar. Click Tools at the top. Hover your mouse over Spelling to reveal more options, and then select Personal Dictionary. This opens a small window where you can manage words that Google should accept. In the text field, type the word you want to add exactly as you use it. This is helpful for industry jargon, product names, acronyms, or regional spellings. Click Add to place it in your list. If you have several terms, repeat the process, adding them one at a time. You can include different forms, like a plural or hyphenated version, if you use those regularly. When you are finished adding words, click OK to save your changes and close the window. Back in your sheet, previously flagged instances of those words should no longer show red underlines. From now on, Google Sheets will treat them as correct on this account and language setting, and the same dictionary typically applies across Google's editors like Docs and Slides when you are signed in. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If a word remains underlined, double-check for extra spaces, punctuation, or capitalization differences. Your dictionary is language-specific, so ensure your sheet and account use the same language and settings. You can always return to Tools, Spelling, Personal Dictionary to review your list and keep it tidy as your terminology evolves. That's it. You have successfully added words to your personal dictionary in Google Sheets, reducing distractions and keeping your spreadsheets professional and readable.